Golden, tropical, impossibly gorgeous? This is the Passion Coco Glow. Let's make it. Start with 2 whole passion fruits. Look at that color. Deep amber gold, absolutely bursting with tropical fragrance. Scoop out every bit of that pulp, seeds and all, straight into your shaker. Both fruits completely. This is where all that flavor lives. Now, half an ounce of fresh lime juice. That bright acidity is going to lift the entire drink. Essential balance. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Just enough sweetness to round everything out without overpowering the fruit. 2 ounces of coconut water. Pure, clean, hydrating. It ties everything together with that signature island softness. Ice in and shake it hard. Really commit. We want this ice cold and perfectly blended. Strain that gorgeous mixture over fresh ice. See that rich amber gold color? Already stunning. Now the magic moment? Float thick coconut cream gently over the back of a spoon. Watch that creamy white layer settle right on top. Beautiful contrast. Finish with a fragrant sprig of fresh mint. And nestle in that remaining passion fruit half right on top. That pop of gold against the cream? That's the glow. The Passion Coco Glow. Tropical, layered, and utterly refreshing. Give this a try and let me know how yours turns out in the comments. If you loved it, hit like and subscribe. There's a whole lot more where this came from.